Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Republican hopes of taking control of the US Senate in November could hang on former football star Herschel Walker, a first-time candidate endorsed by Donald Trump, whose campaign appears to be lagging behind other Republicans in Georgia. A support legend, the 16-year-old Walker secured the Republican nomination, outran for the Senate for the state in May, sitting of five contenders. Republicans hoped his popularity and name recognition would translate into victory in what is likely to be a close race. But there has been trailing Democratic senator Raphael Warnock in most opinion polls. His campaign rocked by repeated policy efforts and starting of controversies about his part, including allegations of domestic violence. Walker is one of a handful of Trump-endorsed first-time Republican Senate candidates, also including TV personality Mehmet Oz in Pennsylvania and other JD fans in Ohio, who even senior Republicans say are weighing on the party change of recapturing Senate control. Senate Republican leader Mitch McConnell, without naming individuals, has stated candidates' quality is a reason why Republicans may struggle to recapture the Senate, putting his party's odds of winning a Senate majority at 15. Analysts say Walker has made himself an easy target for political attack with disjointed comments on issues from COVID-19 to climate. For instance, he attacked the recently passed $4,000 billion climate and drug bill one Sunday, saying a lot of the money is going to trees, and asking, according to the Atlanta Journal-Constitution, don't we have enough trash around here? Every time he opens with mouth about a policy issue, it sounds like a word salad. It's very consolate and doesn't make sense sometimes, said Trey Hood, a political science professor at the University of Georgia. The Republican Accountable Political Action Committee, run by anti-Trump Republicans, has tried to put domestic violence allegations front and center in the fanfic it released on 13 second ad in which Walker's ex-wife Cindy, the English Grossman, says he held the gun to my temple and said he was going to blow my brains out. Walker responded with his own video saying Grossman's comments were taken out of context, but that the was glad they did they add because it gave me an opportunity to end the stigma around mental health. The Walker campaign and local Republican Party leaders say the format and and sports star has been the target of unfair news coverage, insisting this infection with force and campaign even have been overwhelming successful. Okay, I think that's from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.